Hey everyone, welcome back and this is Satya from JavaBeam. In this video, I'm going to explain you about walrus operator in Python. This is a new feature has been introduced in Python 3.8 and we'll see what is the advantage and how we can write a code using walrus operator, how we can incorporate in existed code to remove the redundant code. So walrus operator is nothing but a assignment expression. So we'll see what is assignment expression. Before that, we are talking about assignment. So we'll see what is assignment operator and how we are using in existed in general. Equal to is a assignment operator. Like what it assigns, let's say I have a variable user ID and here is a value 2000. So 2000 value is getting assigned to the variable user ID when I use assignment operator, which is equal to. This is a expression used for assignment operator. Now we'll see what is assignment expression or walrus operator. So walrus operator is this one. If I write any code in between like this, that is become a walrus operator or assignment expression. So what it will do, where we will use, let's say I am using some name variable and I'm assigning some value, let's say some string ABC. What does it mean? When I use walrus operator, the value ABC string is getting assigned to name and this ABC will be returned. In this case, like when I use like a user ID, how can we print like this, right? User ID. Let me execute this one. Run. Yeah. So when I use assignment operator, I can use like this. So instead of using like number of 2 lines, I can use a single line and I can use the walrus operator and I can assign same value here. So what does it mean here is 2000 value is getting assigned to user ID and 2000 will be returned. So in this line 2000 will be printed and value is getting assigned. So two things are happening here in simultaneously. 2000 is getting assigned to user ID and also 2000 is returning. So 2000 will be printed in print statement. Let me run this one. Yeah, this is how a walrus operator can be used. Here we are discussing about walrus operator. So why they have given assignment expression name as walrus operator? Here we are seeing the walrus. So Python 3.8 is implemented. They thought like this assignment operator, walrus operator is like colon and equal to resembling the eyes and tusks of walrus. That's the reason they have given the name as walrus operator. So where we can use this and how can we make a better code using walrus operator in Python 3.8? Let's say I am taking the inputs from user and let's say I'm taking some numbers which are taking from user and evaluating number, it is reaching to exit. If user prints exit, I need to exit, otherwise I need to print this value. This is my logic. While true and I'm taking in like as many as user gives, and if user prints exit, I need to exit, otherwise I need to print, go on print. This is how I am writing. Let me run this one and we will modify using walrus operator. Here let me give some inputs. So 200, 300. Yeah, now I'm exiting. So I exited from this logic application. How can we implement this using walrus operator? here we can see a lot of logic which is to evaluate the condition. So this condition, everything we can move to walrus operator, something like this. And we can make this condition also in walrus. See here, in while condition, I am using walrus operator or assignment expression, and I'm taking the each input into a variable number NO, and I'm comparing with exit. If it is not exit, then I want to print, so I can exclude all this. I don't want this redundant this code. Now using walrus, I can have simple single line which is to print. This is my business logic. This is how we can write using walrus operator. So hope you understood what exactly I am doing. Here using walrus operator, I am taking the input to the number, and that number I am comparing with exit, and the same number already value is assigning, that number I can use here. So assignment and value evaluation, everything is happening in single line. Now let me run this one and we'll see the output. Yeah, something like this, something. Now I will exit. Yeah, this is how simple you can see here. This is how we can use the walrus operator. Let's say this walrus operator we can use in inside list comprehension as well. Let's say I have one list comprehension I am writing. So here I have user IDs. I am iterating the user IDs in list comprehension for each number in user IDs, and this user ID, my business logic is I want to get the I have to perform some operation here, and in that I need to find the corresponding value. So, and I need to compare with allowed or not. This is simple logic I am doing. So from the user IDs, each user ID I am passing to find value method. There I am performing some business logic and I am getting the some corresponding value from here. It is this method is returning some value. That value I am checking whether it is allowed or not. If it is allowed, I want to print this number. But how can I print this number? Again, I need to call this method in list comprehension so that I can print this. This is how I have to write the business logic. So this is if condition. Okay, this is how we are writing in general scenario. Okay, this is my output. Now the what is the problem here? What is the disadvantage? Let's say this method is a fuse method. It is taking, let's say, 1 or 2 minutes. It is performing a lot of operations like some reading file or going to database or fetching corresponding value from database for a given number. So all these operations, let's say it is performing. At that time, we are calling 2 times in list comprehension. Let's say this method is called 1000 times. So I am calling inside 2000 times. So this is the overhead. We can avoid this using walrus operator. How can we do? Let's say walrus operator is something like this, right? So here we need to keep the expression inside the brackets, and here this is let me take into expression results, and yeah, this is as it is. Now instead of this one I can use this variable. Let me run this one and you can see we can save a lot of overhead. We can reduce a lot of overhead. Hope you understood how we can use the assignment expression and the advantage, how we able to remove a lot of duplicate code executing, and how we can save a lot of time, and we can remove a lot of unnecessary code using walrus operator. Only thing is you need to use brackets. If you are not using brackets, that will give a different meaning altogether. That is going to fail. So this is confusing for the new people who are just entering into Python to learn. But otherwise, it is a good feature we can make use in our code. Yeah, that's all about Walrus operator. Thanks for watching and please do subscribe my channel to get the latest updates. And if you want to know about any concept in Python or Java, you can provide your uh, inputs or comments in below video section. Signing off.